how to use Walmart Plus membership for free delivery and benefits. To use your Walmart Plus membership, what you want to do is you want to sign up at walmart.com/plus. So head into your web browser, head into walmart.com/plus plus and go to it. Then what you want to do is proceed to sign up here and get the membership here. Once you have the membership, you can use the app or website and then select a delivery slot, often with options for express delivery and such. So if you have the Walmart Plus, then you'll automatically get the option there. So if you are using shipping, you'll get express delivery and such option right away, and you'll get various prompts. You can select what do you want, and then you can shop on the website or app. There will be no minimum order required for items sold by Walmart or shipped by them. You'll get free shipping as well. And then also in store, you can use the app to scan items as you shop, review and pay via the app. So to pay via the app, you can head into account tab on the app and then head into settings. Once you head into settings, what you want to do next is you want to find the option here that says wallet. So it's taking some time to load up. This app is a bit glitchy and slow. So as you can see, once it is loaded up, you can see wallet option, tap on wallet, and here you should get the option to Walmart Pay option. Tap on Walmart Pay and proceed to pay for it. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues.